Hello friends, today we will see the most important factors which affect your vehicle's fuel economy. Let's get started. The affecting factors in 4 sections. Subsections will be discussed as we move on through the video. Let's see the primary sections. Riding habits, periodic maintenance, modification, and good fuel quality. First is rash driving. Avoid racing and sudden acceleration. This leads to partial combustion cycle and hence consumes more fuel. Second is excess usage of clutch. Do not use clutch very frequently in bikes. Use skid switch if you have to stop for more than 30 seconds in heavy traffic or signals. Third is running on low gears. For geared vehicles, do not keep your vehicle running on lower gears for longer time. Let's move on to the next section. Periodic maintenance. First on the periodic maintenance will be air filter. Get the air filter cleaned periodically. Change the filter if it's too clogged and cleaning is out of scope. Second is carburetor cleaning and tuning. Get the carburetor cleaned in a timely manner. Tune the carburetor for optimal performance and fuel economy. I have made a detailed video on carburetor tuning. Please click the I button to see the video. Third is the spark plug. Clean the spark plug periodically and adjust the gap and clutch. It's advisable to change the spark plug and follow the instructions. Or if you see one that works, lubrication and chain tension. Keep the moving parts clean and well lubricated. Engine oil, gear oil, and chain lubrication will help check basis. Also, adjust the chain tension compliance to avoid hard rotation of the wheels. Fifth is engine idling set at low RPM. Do not set idling at very low RPM. Many people think that setting the idling at low RPM will consume less fuel. However, on the contrary, this will end up in consuming more fuel. Setting idling at very low RPM will make frequent engine shutdown. To avoid the engine from shutting down, we tend to accelerate more often when the vehicle is at rest. Sixth is free rotation of wheels. Check if wheels are rotating freely. Faulty bearings or incorrect brake adjustment will lead to obstruction in wheel rotation. The second and last point is keep checking the air pressure in the tires. Make sure air pressure is always above 30 psi. Lesser air pressure will lead to poor traction and hence will need more power from the engine, resulting in excess fuel consumption. Let's move on to the next section, modification. First under modification will be bulky accessories. Never use bulky accessories which will increase the weight of the vehicle. Second point under modification will be tire change. Do not install wider or bigger tires. I will explain this topic in my next video as this needs a proper vehicle explanation. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon for notifications. The third and final point under modification will be air vents. Never cover the air intake vents near the engine. This will avoid engine overheating and extends life of the engine as well. Let's move on to the last section of the list. Good fuel quality. Always fill good quality fuel. Nowadays, adaptation is one of the concern issues. Try to identify the fill station with proven quality standards. Do not fill the fuel in the afternoons since fuel inside the tank will be in a vaporized state and will escape as soon as you open the fuel cap for refilling. Hence, make sure to avoid frequent fuel filling and fill at least half of your tank at one go. It's advisable to get the fuel filled in the morning or in the evening post sunset. Where possible, try to park your vehicle in shaded area as this will avoid fuel evaporation. These were the steps which can help you get more mileage out of